Look, behind you. Turn around.
I have an idea. Hey, Shawty.
Don't. Wow.
That's it.
Oh my gosh, no! What are you doing?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Hello?
That was a crazy... Are you okay?
Why do you sound like you're talking through a World War II radio?
In settings, you can go to audio and then
Kelvin,
upload.
go kill them!
Hold on, I gotta
Go
get my
get 'em.
supplies.
Hey, Kelvin, don't listen to that guy.
I am better than him.
Kelvin, don't listen to this guy either. He's racist.
Ugh.
Ow! Damn!
Log fight!
Ow! Ow! This is a new experience for me. Hey, Kelvin.
What have you done?
Yo, Kelvin, hold this for me, man. I kinda wanna jump.
Do it. I don't
Do
think
it.
I-
Whoa, when'd you get behind me? Oh my gosh, our savior.
Kill him.
What?
He killed me.
Whoa,
I, had to start, I spawned all the way down there and had to climb up the mountain.
This sounds kind of. You look like Neil deGrasse Tyson.
What?
Can you tell me about the solar system?
Oh,
You
yeah.
are so dead. I heard what you told him. Oh,
Oh,
I didn't mean to actually finish him off. I was just trying to scare him. I just meant to knock you down. I was trying to swing at the cannibal, and then you were already knocked down, and I killed you instead. I was just gonna knock you down, and then I was gonna revive you.
can you turn that off? It's getting intense, boys. As we approach the small pudding, aka. The hell was that?
Hey, I think that's a dude.
Sir, can you tell me, sir, excuse me, are you local here? Can you tell me where I am?
He's
Sir?
gonna kill you.
Sir, do you know where the gas station Why did he attack you? Okay, bro, I understand. I'm sorry.
Revive me!
Get the hell... Boy.
Revive me? Revive me? Oh.
Why did you hit me?
What the? How did I get hit?
Where?
Hey guys.
Hey, where'd you get that?
This guy.
Nowhere.
Oh, I cut his head off. Oh,
It's broken.
Okay.
there's a gold guy.
Get in the car.
I found the alpha.
Get in the car.
No, we got this.
I found the alpha. The team leader.
Oh my gosh, is that the leader of the... Ow, damn! Lucky I'm blocking.
Die.
Let's go, we're goated, bro. Hey, you! Oh yeah, give us some music, Don't give it, turn the music. Oh.
Back up, you're back in the game, you're back in the match.
Oh, I was eating.
He's
Crap.
not back in the match.
Get me back in there. I'm okay. I'm okay.
He's scared, he's scared.
Yeah, see, he's scared of me.
He's in the trees. They're in the trees.
They're in the trees.
They're in the trees. Look at him. He's climbing. Oh my god.
Oh my
Look at him down there. Oh, there you go. He's going back. Behind you.
Bring it.
Yo. No.
Get me back in the ring.
He's got a breath. He's got a breath. That's your chance.
I got this, guys.
Where's this guy?
Wow.
He's pretty good.
Oh, it is. Look at that.
Hey, you want to fight too?
Ooh, I'm the best driver in the world. All right, everyone, hop in. We're going on a road trip.
Is he one of the Is he one of them now?
Hey.
Hey, it's not weird. It's kind of big really good. Maybe we can find somewhere.
That was advanced driving maneuvers right there. I don't even know where we're going. We're following the river downstream.
This makes me feel like I'm gonna throw up in real life.
Look behind you.
Hey, fellas! Look at this!
What do you have? Ow!
Oh, a GPS locator.
Hey, it'll be
that
kind of
guy-
awkward if someone
What
had a
was that?
grenade right now.
What was happening? What was happening to this guy before he died?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Look at that guy.
What do I do? What do I do? What? What the hell, Kelvin? Oh God! Dude, I was so lost.
I started beating you with a stick.
Dude, for a second I thought the wood was attacking me. How do I even?
Epic. What? Hey, I'm the referee! Stop it!
We win!
Yeah! Woo! Hey, Cherry, where you going?
Smoke.
Oh, you're going to smoke?
Smoke. I'm a smoker.
You're a so you support cancer?
If you're a smoker, you automatically support cancer.
Yes. Cherry, what'd you find? Oh! I see you killed my comp.
Guys, I'm gonna go see what's at the bottom of the ocean.
What the hell?
Guys? Oh my god, you cracked your head open!
Bro! Cherry! They have ninjas! What? Did you see her? Did you see the flip she just did?
What? No, I'm down!
She just did some crazy flip. Girl? Ow! Ow, the phone's... She does some crazy flips. Watch out, watch out. Watch, just watch her. Don't kill her, just watch.
Oh.
Watch.
How does she have so much health? Oh, there she goes. Guns! We need to use firearms!
No, that's not it. I have something better, trust me.
Grenade?
Hell yeah, brother.
I got him!
Yeah! Nowhere to go now. Ow!
Did I shoot you?
Yes, you shot me! You buffoon!
I meant to shoot it. Look, man, they didn't teach me gunfiring. There was Ninja Girl there anymore. Oh, she's above you! She's above you!
What?
Ah! Ah!
Did you see the flip she's doing, bro?
Get back here!
Get back here!
Get back here! Yeah! Oh my gosh, he's kind of slow. Get back here! Ah! Oh, I got her!
We beat her! Well, I'm gonna save this one for later.
Okay, what do you mean by that? E or E?
Eat.
I hope that's a good one. Cannibals need to get a better fashion sense. Oh my gosh. Learn what pants are.
Yeah, that thing is all up in your face right now.
Stay behind me!
That thing is thinging, bro. That's why she was so slow, is because she had all that ass back.
Oh, did you see what she was doing? She was like backflipping into you.
Game is game, bro. Imagine what she could do in bed. Ow, I'm sorry! I missed.
Oh, now look what you did. Look what you did to Kelvin.
Kelvin's deaf. He can't hear me.
He saw it. Yeah, but did you see? He crouched down.
Oh, wait, what, bro? I guess he had the subtitles on.
My tree!
It was like not falling. Did you see that? Why are you? Wait, why? You have no animation for. You had no animation for a second. You were just hovering.
What the woman? Look, behind you. Turn around.
I have an idea. Hey, shawty.
Don't. Wow.
That's it.
Oh my gosh, no! What are you doing? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
I think you were there.
What are you doing?
I didn't think my aim was that good.
That girl was already scared of us before, but now that you've killed her once,
It's fine, bro.
she's never becoming friends.
Dude, she'll warm up to us eventually. Trust me. I'm a nice guy. Once you get to know me. Next time we see her, I won't shoot. It's that simple. Then she'll be like, "Oh, these guys are actually nice."
Eat the chicken. Eat the chicken. And it's not because of what character you are, okay?
Wow, during Black History Month is crazy.
Thunder, lightning, thunder, lightning, thunder.
Shut up, bro. You're not. I almost said 21 Dragons.
Imagine pilots.
It'll be a shame if I threw a grenade.
You have one? Oh, Duke!
What killed me?
God.
Ow! I just got off. Dude, I'm getting spawn killed.
I have a spear in my side.
I can't get.
Oh, the entire thing.
Are you serious?
The whole thing just
I can't even get up, dude. I'm being spawn killed. This is so BS.
It's all over.
Oh my gosh. Get me out of here. Everything just collapsed. You don't deserve to live.
You all just forgot about old Zooey Blubberworth, huh?
Ow! Dude,
Give me one reason I should keep you alive.
listen, bro. We were building a cabin for you. We were building a cabin for you, and they attacked, and I couldn't get up. Every time I would get up, I'll just get hit again before I could even get up. And then they collapse our entire
Call me
cabin.
Negan, baby. Woo!
I just.
The cutoff. I'm tired, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. I hurt.
I'm gonna go back into the ocean now.
Bro, what the fuck just happened?
I walked into the side of it and it just fell over.
Oh.
I walked into the side of it and it fell over.
Oh my gosh.
So here's what I did. So the side of the house is here. I just go up and I walk into it, and then the entire thing just collapses at once. What kind of fragile house were you building?
Come on, I'm trying to build here.
That's my car, man.
My house! Am I just not allowed to build? Am I not allowed to build here? I'm never allowed to build anything.
Holy hell, guys. I just saw a cannibal. It was Osama bin Laden, bro.
There's a guy over here.
Hey, what's up, man? Whoa, Furious. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey!
Hey, sir, sir,
Hey.
sir. Sir! I'm gonna die.
There's a bunch of rabid cannibals.
Run!
I think
Get to the smoke! We've come to make peace. Excuse me, sir. How you doing? You are one big fella. Well, that...
This guy doesn't seem very nice.
Yeah.
Did he kill you?
Can you revive me?
We got him!
You got him! Oh, I'm gonna die.
Yeah!
Look, Zach, you can have a redemption. Look behind you. Go talk to her.
Miss, I'm sorry for shooting you in the leg. That's it.
Zach, do not pull out your gun. No,
That's it.
Is that guy in this thing?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, what have you done? You idiot. Plug a little weird. He'd chill though.
Oh, they're fighting each other!
Let's go,
Oh,
Hank.
let's go!
No,
Fight!
step back.
Fight!
They're just
Get him,
fighting each other.
fingers. Get him.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's another one, there's another one. Oh!
Oh, are you gonna get him? You gonna get him?
Get him, fingers. Get him.
Ah!
No, don't kill him.
The guy ran away. Oh, he's down.
You gotta save him. I got you.
Why do you feel like Shrek?
Remember my sacrifice.
Whoa!
Oh, God.
Oh, God!
I think Zooey just died.
No, I can save him, I can save him.
No, he's already dead.
Oh, yeah, he's already dead.
Is he going to get
You are
out?
terrible people.
Can't just leave him here.
I'll be fine.
Goodbye, Zooey.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put on my radio.
Let's go.